Pucker up, buttercup. We're gonna try this again. Pucker up, buttercup. Today, we're making a lemon drop cocktail. It is super fresh, light, delicious. You're gonna wanna stick around. I'm Mara from Joyful Hostess. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. If you wanna level up your hosting, if you're looking for easy tips, tricks, recipes, cocktails, you are in the right place. Today, we're making this lemon drop, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so a lemon drop sometimes is served as a shooter, which you totally could. I mean, you could take this cocktail and pour it into shooters, which maybe some of you are familiar with and have done a lemon drop when you've been at the bar. But I say, like, why waste it on a shooter? Pour yourself a whole cocktail. All right, so let's start building our lemon drop. So first things first, we're gonna take a lemon wedge, which I've just scored with a knife. And we're gonna run that around the rim of the glass. And we're gonna put that into the sugar. You guys, don't miss this step because that's really what's gonna give your lemon drop that little touch of sweetness that it needs when you take a sip. And it's super easy to do, so why not? So we've got our glass all set up, and inside the shaker, we're gonna put some ice, which I've got ready over here. As one of the YouTubers I like to watch says, it's hand-flavored ice. And then to that, we are gonna add 2 ounces of this H2O spring water vodka. So if you haven't tried this vodka before, I highly, highly encourage you to try it. It is made from the pure spring water in Springwater, Ontario, Canada. And it doesn't have that bite, you know, that sometimes vodka has? You know, that burning? It doesn't have that. It's super delicious. It's definitely a premium vodka. And when you're making a cocktail like this that only has a few ingredients, you wanna make sure you're going like for the best. So this H2O is gonna do it for you. So once we do the 2 ounces of that H2O vodka, we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, which is orange flavored liqueur. And then we're gonna add to that 1 ounce of lemon juice. And we're gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now you can buy simple syrup, but it's super easy to make. It's just equal parts sugar and water. You boil that on the stove until the sugar's like all dissolved, and there, easy peasy, you've got yourself simple syrup. This can't be easier than that. That's probably why they call it simple syrup. All right, so all the ingredients are in here. We're gonna give that a shake so the ingredients are nice and cold. Okay, I think we've got that shaken up enough. We're gonna strain that into our glass. It looks awesome. Guys, it smells so fresh and delicious. And then sometimes people will put lemon zest, like a big spiral, or you can put a slice. I like to cut the lemon zest into these fancy little things. I think that's just a fun element to add. Oh, I broke it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Backup plan. Okay, backup plan is our lemon wheel. And there we have our lemon drop. So a couple variations on the lemon drop. You can top it with sparkling water just to make it a little bit lighter. I feel like that's a more summery drink. You can actually turn this cocktail into 2 different shooters, but I mean, why? Or you can muddle some berries in the shaker before you actually mix it all together, and then you have yourself a berry lemon drop. Now it's time to taste it. Tastes like candy. You guys, it's a perfect mix of sweet and sour. I like this cocktail because number 1, it's easy to make. And number 2, when you're hosting, sometimes after dinner you want to offer something that's a little different, a little refreshing, especially when it's been a heavy meal. A lemon drop kind of doubles as dessert and a delicious after dinner cocktail. So there you have it, lemon drop. Enjoy, happy hosting. So if you like what you saw here, be sure to hit like and subscribe. I upload new videos every Friday. And if you hit subscribe, you won't miss one and we can hang out. Cheers, my friends.